Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover coastal living at its finest in Huddersfield, St. Mary. This remarkable four-bedroom house offers stunning views of the blue sea. Located in a quiet, affluent community, it's a haven for returning residents, professionals, and business people seeking tranquility. The area's popularity for vacation rentals makes it an excellent investment opportunity, ensuring a steady stream of income. This property is minutes away from the Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel and 10 minutes to the major excursions in Ocho Rios. The open concept living areas seamlessly blends with the kitchen, dining, and the living room, fostering a warm and inviting atmosphere for entertainment or simply enjoying quality time with loved ones. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the surroundings as natural light pours in through large windows, illuminating the space. The master suite offers a serene retreat with stunning sea views. Don't miss this opportunity to own a slice of paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 375,000 or Jamaican $57.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.